Welcome back to a video course on how to create an effective content strategy for your business. This is Module 12 and it's the last lesson in our video series. In our previous lessons, we covered all the steps we need to develop a strategy that will allow us to create, promote, and manage our content effectively. We also looked at how to troubleshoot any problems and issues that can affect our content's performance and results. In this final lesson, I want to recap what we have covered in this course, talk about the next steps to take after creating a content strategy, and provide links to additional information and useful resources. If your business has done everything that we've talked about in this course and put all of the right foundations in place, developed a content strategy, created a sound content plan, and implemented plans to create, promote, and manage your content effectively, then you can expect your content to perform well and deliver your business great results. And here's why you can expect this. If your business is thinking about content strategically, strategic thinking lets you adapt and respond quickly to changes. So you don't change your destination, you just change the methods and tactics that you're using to get there. You can also expect great results if your business has set clear goals and objectives and you understand your audience's needs, interests, and pain points, then create the right content, delivered at the right stage of their buyer journey, in the right type and format, and distribute it using the right channels so that your content production and promotion are fully aligned with your business goals and your audience's needs. And you can also expect great results if your business uses documented systems to create, promote, manage, track, measure, and improve its content, and has a methodical approach to troubleshoot and fix issues. This is what an effective content strategy aims to do. It lets you examine every area of your business that involves using content and make sure that everyone involved is aligned with the right goals and objectives and is working toward achieving these. Now, I admit that this is not easy to do, especially if your business is already going full steam ahead and hasn't put in place the systems and processes that we've discussed in this course. But this is the map that will help your business get there and deliver you success using content. So, now that you know what the purpose of having a content strategy is and how to create one, where do you go from here? Well, if you plan to start a business or a website and haven't started yet, then the first thing to do is put all of the right business foundations in place, develop a content strategy, and create and implement plans to produce, promote, and manage your content effectively as shown in this course. And if your business is already going full steam ahead and it hasn't put in place the systems and processes that we've discussed in this course, then that's what you need to do next. However poorly you do it, any attempt to develop and implement a content strategy with plans, systems, and documented processes is better than none at all. The worst thing that can happen if you attempt to develop a content strategy for a business that hasn't got one is that it will show you why your business actually needs one. So once you have this awareness, you can begin to do something about it. So regardless of whether you're planning to start a business or trying to manage content for an existing business, here are the practical steps that I recommend taking next. First, I suggest that you review all of the video course lessons and any accompanying notes that are included with this course. Next, go through all of the detailed tutorials that expand on these lessons. They're all available for free on contentmanagementcourse.com. If you haven't already, I also suggest that you register for the Content Management Course email lessons on the site. It's also 100% free and it will take you step by step through everything you need to know to manage content for your business or website effectively. I have also created another comprehensive email course on how to generate new content ideas for your website, blog, or newsletter. It's also completely free to subscribe and will help you create an endless content pipeline for your business. If your business uses WordPress as its content management system, I have created detailed step-by-step tutorials on how to use WordPress that you can access for free at wptrainingmanual.com. And I also run a site that provides thousands of video lessons that will help you develop digital business skills and master using WordPress. This site is not free, but there's a very low subscription price, so it's extremely affordable. So I hope that you have found this video course instructive, useful, and practical. I'm Martin Oranovich. Thank you for watching, and make sure to review the accompanying notes for ways to stay connected and updated. Also, make sure to visit contentmanagementcourse.com for additional information and comprehensive tutorials that expand on everything that we've covered in this course.